How to stop spam in Telegram. To be able to stop spam in Telegram, you should adjust your privacy settings to limit who can add you to groups. So, first, go ahead and open Telegram into your mobile device, and then go ahead and click on this burger icon at the top left of your screen. And then select settings under this, and then look for privacy and security and click on it. And then inside privacy and security, go ahead and click on group and channels. Change who can add me to my contacts only. This prevents random spammers from adding you to massive groups. Second is to block and report spam account. So tap the spam message, open the sender's profile, and then select block users and report spam. Reporting helps Telegram's moderation system remove abusive accounts. Third would be to restrict message requests. So go ahead and open settings on your Telegram app and then head over to privacy and security and then click on messages and then set who can message me to my contacts. This stops strangers from sending you direct spam messages. And that is how you can basically stop spam in Telegram.